All right. MC with Tech back with another video. So today I am doing that video, a unboxing, technically not a review, but I'm gonna go over the stats of the device, what it comes with, what's inside of the package, and later I'm going to do a review on it because it is a drone. And so this is the Veenix V11minni drone. So I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to show you everything that comes with the device, and later on I'm going to do a review on it once I have tested it, got everything set up, the app with my phone, and then I'm going to go over how to work the drone. So with that being said, I'm just going to technically go over, like I said, the specs of the device, what comes in the box with it, and that's going to be the video. And later I will do a review when the weather permits, because it is cold in the Midwest. I live in Michigan. It's I think it's like 18 degrees outside, and I'm not going to do the video till it gets a little warmer. So with that being said, MC with Tech, here's the video. So this is the Veenix V11minni. Fly smart, fly safe. So we're going to do an unboxing and I'm going to show you everything that comes with the Veenix V11minni. So on one side over here, you're going to have your Veenix app that you can download. You can get that from the Apple Play Store or the Google Android Play Store. On this side, tell you a little bit of the specs that it comes with. You're going to get the 250 light. You're going to get the 4K ultra high def camera, and you're going to get brushless motors and the GPS altitude that's going to be on this drone. So let's get unboxing knife out and let's get started on what comes in this box. So we're going to slice it here. So let me get this unboxed. I'm gonna slice it here. Let me get this plastic off. So let me get the plastic off. So now that we get it, we're gonna get this plastic off. We're gonna unwrap this. We're gonna toss that to the side. We're gonna get this sliced open without nicking myself. And I just want to say, you know, I watched a few videos on it. I've heard some good things. I've heard some things that people say, you know, but this is a beginner drone. You know, this is the first drone I've ever owned. It is a beginner drone. I got this as a Christmas gift. So this was a Christmas gift that I got this drone for. And I'm going to say the best thing to do is get a beginner's drone. So let's take it and slide it out of the box. So this is how the drone comes, and it has a carrying case that you'll be able to have the drone in. One more thing to unravel. Look at there. So one more thing to unravel. And so this is a fairly somewhat hard case in case you drop it. Its zipper has a handle for carrying the mini drone. The Veenix mini drone has a handle, has two zippers. So we're going to open that up. And here's the drone itself. So in the case, let me turn this to the side. So in the case, you're going to get the manual. On one side, you're going to get your cords. Let's open this up. And if you hear a little jingling, my dog is running around, so don't be alert, but you're going to get your cords and a screwdriver. So you're going to get a little mini screwdriver. You're going to get your Type A to type mini connection. You're going to get 2 of those. I wish it would have been a type C, but they're type mini connections. You're going to get your manual, your user manual, your flight guide and safety disclaimer. So you're going to get a flight guide and safety disclaimer that comes with that. And then you're going to get the drone itself. So this is how the drone's going to look. Take this out the package. You're going to get the drone. And these, I think, will flip out. So this is how everything looks. And I take it these will flip out just like so. And these will flip forward on the drone. So that's how it's going to look. And you're going to have to calibrate this. Once you have this charged up, you're going to have to calibrate it. But there's going to be that camera on the front of the drones. You're going to get your blades, as you can see. It looks pretty nice. It looks pretty neat. So I'm going to fold it back, put it back together, fold it back together. Get everything back and fold it back together. And then I'm going to go over it and just tell you. So I'm going to push this back into the case. This neatly folds right there and push right back here. You're going to get your remote controls with a little guide showing you how to power this on, tell you some little instructions on how to power this on. This is how your guide is going to be, your remote's going to be. You're going to have your toggles. Oh, okay, let's turn that up the right side up. So you're going to have your toggles. So I would imagine these are going to be for your camera. And then this some other things. So once I go over this and I go over everything, I read everything, and I'm able to see how everything works and sets up, I will go over everything when it comes to the instructions of it. I just wanted to show you what comes in the box and what comes in the case and everything like that. So then right over here, you're going to have 2 batteries. So it comes with 2 batteries. So it comes with 2 micro USB batteries. Like I said, I wish they were type C because we're on a type C type connection with everything. But hey, it'll do what it do. This is my first drone. It won't be my last. But I want to see how this works and everything like that. So this is what's going to come into the box, and you're going to get it. But you can unbox it and work your drone mini. So that's pretty much everything you're going to get. I'm going to go over the instructions and read about how to get this thing set up. But this right now is just an unboxing. Everything that comes with the drone, my impressions so far of the drone. And like I said, it is a mini, and I just can't wait to work it and see how everything plays out and how you set this up. I'm looking very forward to it. And I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to put all the specs up in the video on how this far you can fly this, the range, the elevation, whatever specs that come with it is what I'm going to put. Oh, let me say this. You also get extra blades. Now, I do like that. You're going to get some extra blades. I don't know how many. Once I do the review video, I will tell you how many extra blades you get. But I'm very impressed with the carrying case, how it looks. It's very intriguing, and you can pick this up on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description for this Veenix V11minni drone. You can go on the website, check it out yourself. And this is MC with Tech, back with another video. Hit like and subscribe. Help me get the channel to grow. Hit like and subscribe. Like I said, this is just an unboxing. The specs will be up in the video for you to view. And hey, if you want to pick you one up, try getting you a drone for the first time. Hey, check it out. MC with Tech. Hit like and subscribe.